Hello everybody, welcome back to our 37 Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to easily change the number of copies in the copy settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, whenever we want to use the copy settings or change them, we need to go to the menu, then the function settings, and then the copy. Now click on change default settings, and here we can change the number of copies. As you guys can see, it's limited to 999. So now what you guys can do is enter the big numbers here, and you guys can either decrease or increase. As you guys can see, now we can just apply the setting right here, and now the number of copies are different. So now I'll show you the second way of doing that. So as you guys can see, I am on the website of our Canon. Now we need to select the system manager mode and then enter the remote UI access pin. For me it's 1234. It might be different for you. If it is different though and you do not remember your access pin, then you guys can set up a new one in the printer. Let's click login here, and now let's click settings and registration. Now it's loading, so we need to give it a while. And here we need to go to the function settings and click on the copy settings. So as you guys can see, the number of copies here is still 1. We can edit it. And now we can change it to, let's say, 567. So let's click on OK now. And whenever we go back to our printer, it won't be 47 like it was, it will be 567 copies. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.